Will your muscles turn into body fat? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. This is an old school idea where if you're strength training and you stop, your muscles turn to body fat. Now this sounds good on paper, but it is biologically impossible. Your muscles are made up of amino acids, while your body fat is made up of fatty acids, two distinctly different cell types. And so your muscles can't turn into body fat even if they wanted to. That doesn't happen. However, if you're strength training and you discontinue strength training and you allow your muscles to atrophy and become smaller, become less metabolically active, those physiological changes can contribute to the accumulation of fat and the increase in fat cell size. So in a sense, not strength training can make your fat cells larger. However, your muscles don't turn into fat cells.